Alrighty, got a bit of a malfunction here at the Route 78 grade crossing on the BNSF Mendota sub in Kewanee, Illinois. As you can see, this pedestrian gate here got stuck down. It's the only gate that's down at the moment. All three other pedestrian gates are still up and the main gates aren't ringing at all. But for a reason, the gate here is stuck down, the light's on. You can see a 4-inch RECO LED here. I think I've seen this happen before, but I don't know what causes this. Why is just this one gate that gets stuck down and none of the others? Very strange to see. Yeah, I was just driving up through town here and I happened to see, like, there's a red light on the right side of the road. Like, what is that? And it's like, oh, pedestrian gate. Go figure. Yeah, like I said, I think I've seen this happen before, like during the winter time, but it's been a while since I've noticed it. Not sure how often this happens. Come around here. You can see it's one of the Siemens mechanisms with the sticker logo from the mid-2010s. Siemens base. This whole setup was installed sometime in the mid-2010s. It replaced a pair of WCH signals with 3 very old federal signal pedestrian gates. And yeah, maybe they should have kept the federal signal gates in if this thing doesn't work right. I don't know. But anyways, it's been the malfunction here at 78.